How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get from this to this. Okay, so let's open the door. And we're going to have to open this somehow. Open this panel. Oh, it looks like it's coming off. Let's pry this off. Alright. Okay. And that gives us access to 3 nuts. Okay. It's not working out as planned. Okay, I think I'm going to remove these nuts first. Okay, I'm using a 10mm socket. And zoom back. Okay, let's pull it out. I'm going to take this mirror off because I don't want you guys looking at me. I'm ugly. Whoop. Okay. Oh, there we go. Let's take this off. That broke. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this surface over here, this mating surface, with some rubbing alcohol. Okay, so I'm replacing the driver's side, and this is the driver's side part number for my vehicle. Okay. Alright, I need a knife. Oh, look at that. Okay. Ooh, brand spanking new. Okay, let's match up the old one. And, this one's red and this one's white. Wow. Shove this connector back. Tighten these nuts. Put the cover back on. Alright, that's it. That was a super fast, easy repair that anybody can do. My goodness. Alright, let me show you something pretty cool. Mud. Nah, not that. Check it out, guys. I'm not sure the name of this fruit, but I've heard that it tastes like eggs. Yeah. Pretty strange looking, yeah? It's not mangoes. But this is the shape. I haven't tried it yet. But I got a big tree. And it's full. Alright guys, anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And remember, if I can do it, so can you. Aloha.